Hi, in this video today, we're going to talk about tracking your progress through the GovSales University training videos. As you can see over here on the left, you have a chapter name and there's a green check mark. What this means is you've watched every video in that chapter. You can always double check by opening it up, and each video in that chapter has a green check mark, which means you've watched that to completion. And then once that has been done, you'll see the check mark is next to the chapter. And if you see a gray check mark, that means you have not watched every video in the chapter. So it's very easy to go in and just see where you left off. You might have started watching one but not finished it, and that's where you'll see a green check. That way you can hop in, hop out at your own convenience and watch the videos. Thanks so much.